Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the EARFUN UBOOM L. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is 80 bucks. Now on a side note, shout out to EARFUN for sending me this one to review. But not only did they send me the speaker, they sent me a discount code. So if you like what you see, use the discount code. You're going to get 25% off. That's bringing the price down to 60 bucks. Now I know what somebody's going to say. Which one should I buy? The UBOOM L for 60 bucks or the JBL Flip 6 for 130 bucks? Do the math yourself. All right, the JBL is twice as expensive, but the UBOOM actually has more features, which we're going to talk about in a minute. All right, so let's go through all the specs. Now this is Bluetooth version 5.0. The speaker's IP67, dust and water resistant, and it does float. I repeat, it floats in the water. Now you got two 55mm drivers and passive radiators. That's going to give you 28 watts of total power. Now you got indoor, outdoor, and video mode. All right, 3 different sound modes. Now this charges via USB Type-C. You got a 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. You got a built-in speakerphone. You got voice assistant. You got true wireless stereo. So that means you can pair two of these together wirelessly. Okay, and the battery life on these is 16 hours on a single charge. Now, of course, if you're rocking it at max volume, it's going to be a little bit less. All right, so all of that for 60 bucks. Let's unbox it and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white shoes.
calm down. Now, like I said earlier, the JBL Flip 6, this one is twice as expensive, but no speakerphone, okay? This one does have a speakerphone. No 3.5 auxiliary input, this one does. No video mode, this one does. Now, why is video mode important? If you buy two of these and use true wireless stereo and you have them synced up to your computer or your TV, you're gonna get low latency. All right, so when you're watching your videos, no lip sync delay. All right, here we go. Now, let's see. Did I miss anything on this one? Speakerphone, 16-hour battery life. Okay, superior sound. Extra bass. All right, let's get to poking. Here we go. One more. Now, before I even finish unboxing this, let me go on record right now and tell y'all, this is the deal of the day. Now, I've already been using one of these for a couple of days. If you like me, all right, and you got a little kid going back to school, all right, and I got a daughter going back to college, this is the perfect gift, okay? Not to mention, you buy a few of these, throw them up in your closet, Christmas time coming up around the corner, boom, you got Christmas gifts on deck. 60 bucks, y'all better jump on these, okay? Let's see what you get inside. Now, this is going to be your UBOOM L, the actual speaker, okay? And, of course, let's see what's in here. Now, this is going to be your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And you do have a charging cable. Now, this is USB-A to USB Type-C. Okay, 60 bucks. Now, here's the actual speaker for quick size comparison. Okay, basically about the same size as the JBL, maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, on the top, you got all your buttons. So you got your power button. You got your Bluetooth pairing button. You got volume up and down, play and pause. And this is going to be your multifunctional button. That's how you're going to change your different sound modes. Okay. Let's see on the back. Now, since it is fully water resistant, let's see. I just cut my nails. Might have to get the poking again. Let's do that one more time. Hold on a second. I just cut my nails. And, of course, the flap is extra tight. Giggity. All right, here we go. Now, in the back, you got USB Type-C charging and the 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. And again, the speaker does float in water. So cover this up, drop it right in the pool, and rock out. There's your radiators. You know they're going to be vibrating like crazy. Little EARFUN branding, which, if y'all remember when I did the EARFUN Free Pro, the true wireless earbuds, EARFUN is an underrated company, okay? They make quality products that's not going to break your pockets. I like that. Okay, I like that. All right, so let me grab a phone. We'll pair this up, and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I got the speaker paired up. Now let's do a little sound test. Now I'm going to start off at max volume. I got the sound set to indoor mode. Here we go. Okay, the speaker sounds dope. Now, I'm going to switch over to outdoor mode. It's going to get a little bit louder. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, let's try another song. Here we go. Indoor mode. Let's put it back on outdoor mode. Okay. Now, personally, I like outdoor mode a little bit better because it makes the speaker get louder. I guess indoor mode is cool if you're at work and just chilling listening to Mozart's greatest hits. You don't need all that extra thunderous bass. But if you're rocking some hardcore music and you want that sound, go with outdoor mode. All right, so let's test out some more features. All right, so let's check all of the buttons. Now, single tap for play and pause. Okay, double tap to go to the next song. Triple tap to go to the previous track. Okay. Now, long press for voice assistant. What's the weather for tomorrow?
Should be sunny tomorrow.
Okay. Now, if you want to change your sound modes, one button for outdoor mode, one button for indoor mode, double tap the Bluetooth button if you want to put it on video mode. Okay, you'll see a little LED light up. And of course, you got volume up and down. Okay, max volume. Okay, minimum volume. All of the buttons work.
Red heart.
Okay, now I was just about to say, let me check the speakerphone.
Red heart. Red
Amaya's calling me.
Red heart. Red heart.
Yeah. Hold on, let me switch over to my speakerphone. Yeah.
Hello, Father.
Hi, girlie.
What you doing?
All right, I'm testing out this speaker right now. Trying to see if it got a speakerphone. It does have a speakerphone, I guess.
Clearly.
All right, yo, what's up? We on for tonight or what?
Duh.
All right, you made the reservation?
Bro.
All right, I'm saying, the better question is, are you going to be there on time, bro? Come on.
Come on, let's ask real questions here.
All right.
Obviously not.
All right, now one more thing. Now you getting drippy or not, yo? Because you know this is a fancy spot, man. We gotta come outside.
Obviously, stop asking crazy questions.
Okay, I gotta make sure. All right, so let me finish this video. I'm gonna go to the gym, get my little swell up, and I'm gonna see you up in there a little bit.
All right.
All right, what's up? What you doing?
I just woke up from a nap.
Oh, okay. You getting some beauty sleep?
Minding my business. Yeah.
You need it.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna call you in a little bit.
All right,
get that beauty sleep. All right. Speakerphone definitely works. Oh, let me turn this. Didn't realize it was that loud. Okay, speakerphone. Now this is automatically an advantage over the JBL Flip 6. Now, same thing, just now if I was chilling with my music on and I had to take a phone call, I'd have had to pick up the phone and take that call. With a speakerphone, all I gotta do is press one button, bong, answer the phone call, and I'm good to go. This is a win. All right, so now let's check for latency. Now, just put the speaker on video mode, so that means when you're watching your videos, there should be no delay from the person's lips to what you hear. Here we go. Boy Floss, back again with another video, and today we're gonna be testing out the new Sony a6400. Now, I'm out here with Sony in beautiful California. As you see for yourself, no lip sync delay at all. Testing out this new camera. Now, like I said, for 2019, okay, so video mode is a go. Was get out the house, get on the road. So now we're on the road. Let's check this out. Now, let's try true wireless stereo mode. Now, in order to pair two of these together, all you have to do is go to the first speaker, hold down the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds, do the same thing on the second speaker, and they'll automatically connect together. Takes about 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I will say this. This is what you're going to pay for one JBL Flip 6. Now I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison and we'll see how one sounds versus the other, but do the math yourself. Which one do you think is going to sound better? Two of these paired together or one JBL Flip 6? This is the deal of the day. All right, so let's do a side-by-side sound test with the JBL Flip 6 and the UBOOM L. We're going to start off with the JBL Flip 6. Here we go. Same song, same phone, same volume level. Here's the UBOOM. Okay, now you heard it for yourself. The JBL might be a little bit cleaner, but the UBOOM is definitely louder. Now, is the JBL double the price cleaner? I don't think so. But I want to show y'all one more test. Watch this. All right, so now let's do the value test. Which one is going to give you more value? 2 UBOOM Ls for $120 or one JBL Flip 6 for $130? Let's start off with the JBL.
Yo, I got a question for you. Yeah. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. Fact, and that's the thing.
Now here's the UBOOM Ls.
Yo, I got a question for you. Yo, how many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it, huh?
Do the math for yourself, all right? Which one would you rather have? One JBL Flip 6 in the corner of your room, or two U-Boom Ls separated across the room, giving you sound like this?
Can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but what's the mathematics? You still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never.
All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the EARFUN U-Boom L a major go. At 80 bucks, this will be a win. But for 60 bucks, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Remember, shop smarter, not harder. Now, it seems like the holiday season is far from now, but you know it always tends to sneak up on you. Take advantage of that discount code, buy two of these, throw them up in the closet, you're ready to go. You got kids going back to school, this is the perfect gift. You want to have a backyard pool party? Why buy one speaker when you can buy two? Why buy one speaker with no speakerphone and no 3.5 auxiliary input when you can buy two with two speakerphones and two 3.5 inputs? Not to mention you got video mode. This is an all-around win. Anyway, EARFUN has done it again. 60 bucks on this one. This is the deal of the day. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me roll. It's your boy Flossy. Deuces.
Spock here.
Spock one to beam up.
Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.